Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV. In today's video, we have combined 13 best and unique kitchen gadgets for every home that will make your cooking easier, which you can buy today on Amazon or online. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Let's get started. One. Vacuum Sealer Machine. TKTK. 7-in-1 vacuum sealer machine with advanced air sealing technology, subjected to harsh laboratory testing. Designed to provide a secure, airtight heat seal to keeps food to stay fresh and flavorful up to 5 times longer, preventing spoilage and food waste, helping save money and space. Make the automatic food sealer be a good helper in your life. 2. Joseph Titan Trash Compactor. Is an intelligent waste Titan trash can compactor. An integrated odor filter compartment inside the lid holds replaceable carbon filters. Titan is an innovative trash can with a hygienic compaction system that reduces trash after compaction. 3. Multifunctional non-slip rotating storage tray. The anti-slip performance is excellent. When you rotate it, you don't have to worry whether the items in the storage box will slip out. It makes every item easy to be reached, even when it's stored on upper shelves. Help you save a lot of countertop space. Whether the house is big or small, a neat and orderly room can always bring you a good mood. Organizing all the cosmetics, seasoning, detergents. Rotate it to get the thing you want. 5. Joseph Chop 2 Pot. These clever folding chopping boards make it easy to transfer chopped food into a pot or pan without dropping any along the way. The original folding chopping board. Innovative folding design for easy food transfer. When the handle is squeezed, the sides of the board fold up, forming a chute down which chopped food or waste can be neatly guided. 6. Splatter screen with clip. Excellent as a shield for the cooker and kitchen unit against messy splatters during intense frying. Provided with a multi-purpose clip for all common types of frying pans with diameters from 18 to 28 centimeters, use the clip to attach the splatter screen to the rim of the frying pan. 7. M-Poach Microwave Egg Poacher. Preparing poached eggs can be tricky. This can be quickly and easily replicated in a microwave oven with this clever design. Simply fill the poacher with water and then break in an egg. Cover with the lid and microwave on full power for the specified time. To serve, simply lift and drain the cooked egg with the integrated colander. Twist 2-in-1 silicone whisk. This innovative product incorporates 2 essential whisks in one stylish design. As a flat whisk, Twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are perfect for combining ingredients, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, Twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into perfect peaks. The Twist whisk can be easily dismantled by removing the bottom knob for cleaning. Joseph Lotus Stone Monde. This steamer basket design is taken to levels of practicality and convenience with this high-quality, colorful, contemporary version. The unit has self-adjusting sides to fit pans, heat-resistant silicone feet and an enhanced silicone finger guard. It has a large capacity when fully open, but folds neatly away for storage. The unit is non-scratch and suitable for use with both steel pans and non-stick cookware. Heat-resistant up to 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. You enjoy this video, don't you? We like to give another interesting video to enjoy next. But before then, our team we be glad if you can like and share this video with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. We love you.